Good morning. I'm here to present my business plan, which is the Epitom Laundry Shop. Epitom Laundry Shop is a commercial laundry shop with the motto of providing a perfect clean at a perfect time. The business will be a sole proprietorship kind of business. Therefore, all the expenses will be shouldered to the proprietor. And I came up to this business just because clean clothes is one of our basic necessities in our daily life. The business will be located at Magsaysay Street, Barangay Vera Rojas Isabela, in front of La Salette of Rojas College. So Rojas Isabela is a first-class municipality here in Isabela, and its economy shows a lot of improvement over the past years. And the laundry business at Rojas is not well established. So I see this an opportunity to start my laundry business at Rojas Isabela. And Epitom Laundry Shop will offer two kinds of service, the walk-in service and membership service. In walk-in, we will offer the traditional wash and dry cleaning, and it is up to the customer choice whether a walk-in self-service, walk-in draft-off, walk-in comforter, and walk-in regular wash. And the other service that Epitom will offer is the membership service. This is a club-type service in which all our members can avail our pick and deliver from home service. This service is very important to the success of this business just because it helps us to ensure all our to ensure the loyalty of all our customers. Just like other business, price is the main factor of any business. So we develop a separate price for the walk-in and membership service. Since the most crucial part of this business is the membership service, Epitom Laundry Shop will offer a 5 to 10% discount to its member. I know that the heart and soul of this business is the laundry machine. So we will ensure all the safety of all our equipment, specifically laundry machines. So therefore, all the detergents and fabric conditioner will be sold at the shop with our trusted brands. Since the business is located in front of La Salette of Rojas College, our main target is the students, specifically college students and teachers of La Salette of Rojas College. And we will also extend our service to the household of Barangay Vera, Bantug, and Rizal Rojas Isabela. And the business mission is to provide customer with exceptional washing experience wherein the business will establish a value-laden relationship with its customer by providing them the cleanest shop, best customer service, accessibility to well-maintained and large capacity laundry machine. And the business vision is to be preferred laundry service business in Rojas, Isabela, and other nearby municipalities. Since the business is known in Rojas, it will be planned to expand the business by establishing the store to the municipalities nearby, specifically Burgos, Malig, and San Manuel, Rojas, Isabela. One of the strengths of this business is well-trained employee. This is to ensure the satisfaction of all our customers. And Epitom Laundry Shop will buy a brand new 5 laundry machines and fast service, free access to Wi-Fi and television. This is to ensure that all our walk-in customer will not be bored during their laundry time. Weakness, machine maintenance, create brand awareness, and opportunities is consistent demand because we need a clean clothes every day and unique kind of service. So Epitom Laundry Shop is the first laundry shop at Rojas to offer a pick and deliver from home service. And we have an unpredictable weather here in the Philippines. And threat, instability in LPG prices, future potential competitor, and power interruption. That's all. Thank you for listening.